Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video series, we will discuss web application penetration testing. This is a beginner guide for who are interested in bug bounty hunting and web application penetration testing. So let's get started. For learning purpose, we get hands-on to the live application to practice our various attacks on the vulnerable web application. We will use DVWA, the damn vulnerable web application. It is a PHP MySQL web application that is damn vulnerable. Its main goals are to be an aid for security professionals to test their skills and tools in a legal environment. In Windows, the best PHP local web server to host our damn vulnerable web application is Xampp. The Xampp is completely free, easy to install web server. It is available for Windows, Linux, Mac operating systems. In this video, I will show you how to install Xampp in Windows and host our DVWA web application. To download the Xampp, follow the link and click on Download button. To download the DVWA, go this link and click on Download button. Once you get downloaded, open the Xampp installer. Click on Next and choose the install location. Click on Next and choose language as English. Click on Next. The installation process will be started. Wait for few minutes to installation is complete. After installation is completed, tick the Start Control Panel Now checkbox and click on Finish. After Xampp control panel is opened, start the Apache server and MySQL server. Click on Admin button to open our localhost server in browser. You will see the default web page for Xampp is loaded. We need to delete all default files and copy DVWA files into the web root folder. Go to the Xampp install directory and locate htdocs folder. Then delete all files in the htdocs folder. Make sure all files are deleted by visiting localhost. You will see the page like this, have nothing in it. After that, extract the DVWA zip file into the htdocs folder. Make sure all files are extracted into the htdocs folder. Refresh the localhost page, you will see the DVWA config file error. This is because we need to edit the config file and connect with database. Open the config folder in htdocs folder. Then rename the config file to config.inc.php. Or just remove the .dist from the file name. Then refresh the localhost web page. Then you will see unable to connect to the database in the bottom of the page. To connect the database to our web application, open the config file in a text editor. You will see the web application trying to connect to the default database credentials. We are going to create MySQL database account as it is. To create new database, open the control panel and click on Shell button. In the command shell, log in to root database account with no password by entering the following command. After login, create a new database with the name of DVWA with the following query. Then create new user and password with full privileges to the DVWA database with the following query. Then enter flush privileges query to take effect of our changes. Log in to our created database user to check all are correct. Our DVWA database is there. Refresh the localhost web page to see its connect. You will see the database error is gone. Then click on Create Reset Database button to generate necessary database tables for DVWA. You will see the Setup Successful message. Then you are redirect to the login page. The default username and password for the DVWA is admin and password. After successful login, go to the Setup Reset Database menu option. You will notice Allow URL Include PHP function is disabled. This option is needed for us to perform file inclusion attack. To enable this option, go to the control panel, click on Apache config, select the php.ini file. In the file, search for Allow URL Include. Then change the value to on. Save the file and restart the Apache server. Then refresh the localhost web page. You will notice the Allow URL Include will be enabled. We successfully configured the DVWA in local web server. In the next video, we will see the various attacks performed in this web application. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button below and like my video if you like.